ATRA was founded in 1954 right here in Southern California, and their purpose was to share technical information. If you think of it, back then in the 50s, automatic transmissions were a mystery, something new, and as archaic as we think of those transmissions today, it was high tech. Information to fix transmissions was not very easy to get a hold of, and so this group helped each other with that, and it just spread from there.
In today's market, there's more transmissions on the road than ever before. Our job is to provide comprehensive technical information for each unit. Our main goal is to provide this information to our member shops to get you on the road faster.
Being a part of the ATRA network is important to me as a shop owner because transmissions each and every day with every model year become more and more sophisticated, more and more complex. Every time a client drives in for transmission repair or service, it's impossible for anyone to know everything about every transmission on the road. If I have a situation, if we have a problem, we have some sort of something that is brand new and unique, it's oftentimes difficult to find the answers to those problems. That's where ATRA really shines bright. It's invaluable to have this resource because each and every time we reach out to ATRA's research department, they are there for us all the way through the process, regardless of how long it takes. And again, each and every transmission is different. So having them as a resource to the shop owner is absolutely invaluable.
We have about 2,500 members, and we continue to offer technical help. It's a big part of ATRA, and for some members is the sole reason they join. We have 10 technicians here who will help answer questions, so if a member calls up, they can talk to them about a transmission problem that they have, and our technicians can walk them through, so you're in good hands going to an ATRA member shop. They have the technical information available to them to get you back on the road as quickly as possible.
ATRA publishes Gears magazine for the betterment of the transmission rebuild industry. Each issue is filled with timely tech articles, shop management tips, new product information, and more. One of the great things that we use with Gears magazine is the power of ATRA. The technical department fields thousands of phone calls each and every year. Those phone calls are the genesis, the base, the foundation of the technical articles that the industry sees in each issue of Gears.
Every year, ATRA hosts its 4-day Powertrain Expo conference. The benefit of the ATRA Powertrain Expo is so that every year transmission shops can gather, they can socialize, they can network, they can get their training for the year. They can take that information back to their shops, also that they can get you back on the road quicker.
For the consumer, ATRA is a resource. One of our main goals is to provide consumers with information about their car. And as a trade association, ATRA has nothing to sell to consumers. We are a resource of information, so if you go to the ATRA website, atra.com, you can find answers to your most pressing problems. And if you contact ATRA, you can be confident that your question will be answered quickly and honestly by trained professionals.
As a client or as a part of the motoring public, it's important for people to feel confident in a repair. So oftentimes in this world that we live in, automotive service, for whatever reason, has a bit of a dubious distinction, and we get that. What we try to do here is deliver confidence and peace of mind, and ATRA helps us do that. One of the things that we're able to deliver here as an ATRA member service facility is the Golden Rule warranty. It's a warranty that's good all through the United States and Canada. Peace of mind from top to bottom. If anything should fail, if any problem should occur with that transmission, once it's been repaired at any of the ATRA facilities, all that's required at the client from that point is a cell phone. If there's any issue whatsoever, just go to your smartphone to find a participating member, atra.com. You can find a plethora of service centers that are ready, willing, and capable of servicing or repairing any transmission issue. The Golden Rule warranty, at least in my opinion, is the finest on the planet.